Introducing Titan Hub. Titan Hub has 16 ports to connect your peripherals while keeping the host device charged. It is made from a solid piece of aluminum and can be positioned vertically on a removable stand to save space, or placed horizontally. Titan Hub can charge the host device while powering other devices, and it also supports all kinds of Type-C gears. With Titan Hub, you can easily enjoy high definition on 2 additional monitors. You can run both monitors simultaneously when multitasking is needed. Instantly share photos and files between your phones while keeping them charged with 2 USB C ports. It's that easy. 3 front USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports will satisfy almost all your need for external devices, like your Bluetooth transmitter, memory sticks, and hard drives. On Titan Hub, there is an Ethernet port that will enable a wired internet connection. The speed will go up to 1000 megabits per second, and you will always stay connected. Titan Hub is both SD and TF card friendly. Titan Hub features a combo audio in-out jack. Plug in your device and you can still enjoy unsurpassed sound quality and deliver crystal clear outgoing audio. Titan Hub, docking station for all your needs.